Now I know these just dropped, right? We know these just dropped, right? But something else has stolen the show. Sorry. YouTube fam, what's good, man? How are y'all feeling on this wonderful Saturday, man? Blessed to see another Saturday. You all are too as well, man. So glad to have y'all rocking out with your boy Jay, man. Let's start the video off, man. Look, the vibes is, woo, the vibes is always positive. Can you feel it? Can you feel the energy? I'm trying to throw some positive vibes over in your way. If you're having a bad day, man, cheer up, bro. Your boy Jay gonna make you smile. Smile for your boy Jay. Pause. But yo, man, look, man, your boy Jay came across something, man. First of all, shout out to my wife, man. Big shout out to my wife. Hey, wifey done came across something and she didn't even tell me, man. She just popped up with it. She was like, here you go. And my daughter ended up telling me what it was, and I was like, nah. So I went back and looked through emails and stuff like that, and I was like, nah, bruh. But yeah, this is one thing, but I do have to make it clear, wifey, if you're watching this, don't think that you off the hook. I still need Madden 2024, the premium edition. I still need NBA 2K 2024, the premium edition. Yeah, you ain't off the hook, but thank you. Love you. Yes, sir, man. So we gonna check out what wifey done got for your boy Jay, man. Before we get into it, if this is your first time stopping through, I appreciate you as always, and I need for y'all to stick around, hit that subscribe button down below, join the fam, and if you are a returning visitor, man, thank y'all as always. All I need for y'all to do is hit that like button. Let me know how y'all are feeling this video content as far as discussions, you know, things shown. Just talk to me down below, man. But yes, man, let's check out what wifey done got your boy. Let's get into it. Whoo, appreciate you. Bang, man. So yes, we do have a box here, right here from the infamous Sneakers out, man. So your boy, look, I was on two of my phones, man, trying to get a dub on this shoe, seeing if I can, you know, try my luck, and my wife was over there secretly on her phone, you know what I'm saying? Boop, 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 boop. You know what I'm saying? Putting there for the hubby. And yes, sir, we got it right here. So, yeah, man, these actually shock dropped. Y'all already know what it is, right? Y'all already know what it is. But they shock dropped last week, not this. Was it this past week? It was this past week. It shock dropped. And I took an L, but I really took a dub. Bang, man. So yes, sir, your boy does have a pair, size 9, of the upcoming Air Jordan 1 UNC toes, man. And I wanted to talk to y'all about this shoe, and this actually kind of made the perfect time to talk about it, unboxing this. And I wanted to give y'all my thoughts on this in particular Air Jordan 1. I've shown it to y'all before on the channel. It's not no surprise. Here they go again. There they go again. There they bang, man. Look, UNC blue. I'm all day, always for it, man. Favorite color. This is just a dope shoe. Yeah, this is just a dope shoe to your boy Jay. So definitely had to I already told y'all, I already doubled up on these shoes, but hey, yeah, y'all already know what time it is with these, man. The smell, wonderful. You know what I'm saying? Everything good with it. Let me check them out real quick after I get my box and stuff set up. Look at my pair. I think my previous pair might have had a little bit better leather, man. But I ain't mad at these, man. These are cool, man. But shout out to the wife again, man, for the size 9 and the bang Air Jordan 1 UNC toe, man. These right here, y'all, I want to talk to y'all about these real quick. This shoe, of course, is releasing 1 week from today, depending on when you're watching this video. If you're watching it the day that it releases, 1 week from today, these are releasing, and a full family size run, of course. And I think that this will be the first Jordan 1 in a while to like instantly, not really instantly, but within the same day. These will sell out within the same day, guaranteed. That's what I'm gonna stand on it. I said in my first look I would be shocked that these don't sell out, but I'm almost positive now that these will sell out. The reason why I think that these will sell out, man, is because it's a hot shoe. It's in high demand. The color is very, very summer friendly, of course, and I think the key thing that's gonna sell this shoe out is back to school, man. We got to start throwing that in the mix. Yes, we know that, you know, it's summer in a lot of places. And like I said, summer wears are going to be picking these up, but this will be a high demanded shoe on back to school list, man. I think that this shoe will be selected over a lot of other shoes that are available and that are sitting. Like when you think about this month, we do have a couple of good shoes releasing. We got the UNC to Chicago lows. We got the black toe lows, which I should have a perfect of those coming soon, man. But the black toe lows, another highly demanded shoe, which is a double up for your boy, man. Look, I'm going crazy on double ups, but that's I need 2 of those. But that shoe, of course, I think that's gonna do well as also. But these, man, like I said, this is going to be the hot summer shoe, as well as it's going to be that hot seller for back to school. So I see this shoe being picked, like I mentioned, over a lot of other shoes. So I think that this will definitely sell out, man. These will not sit around, man. So not hyping them up. This is my honest prediction, my honest thoughts on the Air Jordan 1 UNC toe. If you want this shoe, I wouldn't put in one raffle here and think that I'm gonna get that W. I would really lock in on this shoe. You got to put in multiple raffles. You got to do some footwork for this shoe, because although past Air Jordan 1s haven't been selling out, and it's been some good colorways, bang, like the Air Jordan 1 yellow toes, man. Fire shoe, man. Just think, I'm curious, and I'm asking y'all a question at the same time. Comment down below, if this shoe released, if this shoe were to release at the same time as these, do you think the yellow toes would have sold out like instantly? Of course they did eventually sell out, but as far as the demand for them when they released, do you think that they would have done better if they released around the same time as these, like during the summer, getting ready for back to school and stuff? I think that these were released at the wrong time. Just to be honest with y'all, there was a lot of different good shoes that released around the time of the shoe, which I can say that these kind of got swept under the rug, man. But these right now, bro, like I don't see nothing around this shoe that I can say is gonna take, you know, attention and light off this shoe. Cause the next big shoe after this is what? Like maroon 5s maybe, and that's not even a big shoe. I'm trying to think. I know it's something probably in between that, but you know, I'm not really thinking of that many shoes that has the demand and just lives up to just the looks and just everything of this shoe. You know what I'm saying? So I think that this is going to be a very hot seller in my opinion. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions of these down below in the comment section. But yes, thank you wifey for these, man. I thank you, and like I said, you ain't off the hook. I need my gains, man. And yeah, just a dope shoe, man. So your boy Jay just wanted to chop it up with y'all along the lines of showing y'all, you know what I'm saying, what wifey done through your boy. But that is it for this one, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all up on this Saturday. Let me know down below, man, who copped Chambray 7s, man. Chambray 7s, I know they're not sold out. I know they're probably still sitting, but that's another shoe that I don't think will sit for too long. Maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I'll give it a month. It's not gonna do no Cardinal 7 numbers. It's not gonna be there for months upon months unless they restock. But that's just my thoughts and opinions. You know, we all have our 2 cents. Y'all let me know y'all's down below in the comment section. But other than that, man, your boy Jay is checking out with them UNC toes, man. Fire shoe, man. But I'm gone. Y'all stay blessed.